Exercise 9.3. In each of the exercises 1 to 5, form a differential equation representing the given family of curves by eliminating the arbitrary constants a and b. So, in the previous exercise, we learnt if there are two arbitrary constants a and b, the differential equation will be in the form second order differential equation. So, let us first solve the first problem. X by a plus y by b, let us frame the differential equation for which the family of given curves is given as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now, differentiating the given equation with respect to y, differentiating x with respect to y with respect to x. Now, 1 by a is constant, differentiation of x is 1 plus 1 by b into differentiation of y. We are differentiating y with respect to x. So, that is dy by dx is equal to differentiation of 1, 0. Now, let us do one more differentiation. Differentiation of constant 1 by a is 0 and here 1 by b is constant into differentiation of dy by dx is d square y by dx square is equal to 0, which implies d square y by dx square is equal to 0. So, this is the second order differential equation for representing the family of the curve x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 and we eliminated the arbitrary constants a and b. Second problem, y square is equals to a into b square minus x square. So, two arbitrary constants are there. It is obvious that we have to do two times differentiation. So, your solution will be of the differential equation of order 2. So, now let me differentiate now. Y square differentiation is 2y into dy by dx is equals to a is constant. So, constant into, see when the constant is with multiplication of the other terms, the constant we will take it outside and we will do the differentiation. If it is plus or minus, the differentiation of constant will become 0. A into is there, so we will take a outside and we do the differentiation of the remaining part. When we are doing differentiation of this remaining part, b square minus x square is there. B square is with the subtraction with minus x square. So, differentiation of b square will become 0 minus x square differentiation is 2x. So, we got dy by dx is equals to minus 2x, here a is there outside. So, minus, let me write minus a into 2x divided by 2y. Okay, we can cancel even 2. So, this is minus a into x by y. And one more thing, we can find and keep here what is a value from the first equation. So, our a value from the first equation is, from this equation, a is equals to 2y by minus 2x into dy by dx. We can again cancel here 2. So, minus y by x of dy by dx is a value. So, which we need to substitute at the end. Let me see. Now, we got dy by dx is minus a into x by y. Now, let us do second differentiation. So, d square y by dx square is equal to minus a is constant. Now, to differentiate x by y, we follow quotient rule. So, in quotient rule, y into, it is like, let us recollect quotient rule, d by dx of u by v. Denominator will be v square. Numerator is v into differentiation of numerator du by dx minus u into dv by dx. So, applying the quotient rule here. So, numerator is here first y into differentiation of x is 1 minus x into differentiation of y is dy by dx. So, let me write it as, okay, first I will write dy by dx only. Dy by dx divided by y square. So, now we got second differentiation d square y by dx square is equals to So d square y by dx square, let me write it as y double dash is equal to, now in this answer we are having a as an arbitrary constant, but already we found the a value from the first differentiation. So let me substitute the a value. A value is minus y by x, here already minus a is there. So it is nothing but y by x into dy by dx. Dy by dx I can write it as y dash into here y minus x into again dy by dx, which is y dash divided by y square. So now I am having a differential equation without any arbitrary constant. Let us arrange and give the answer. So we can cancel this y first, can take this xy to left hand side. So cross multiplication, xy into y double dash is equals to y into y double dash, sorry, y into y dash minus x into y dash whole square. So this is the differential equation representing the family of curves y square is equal to a into b square minus x square. Third problem, y is equal to a e power 3x plus b e power minus 2x. So we have to form a differential equation by eliminating these two arbitrary constants a and b, and we know very well we have to do 2 times differentiation. The solution will be of second order differential equation. So now first differentiation, dy by dx is equal to a into e power 3x, differentiation is e power 3x into differentiation of 3x, which is 3, plus b into e power minus 2x, differentiation is e power minus 2x into differentiation of minus 2x is minus 2. So I followed chain rule. Now therefore we got dy by dx is equals to, dy by dx is nothing but 3a e power 3x minus 2b e power minus 2x. Now let us do second differentiation. D square y by dx square is equals to 3a is constant. So 3a into e power 3x, differentiation e power 3x into 3, and here minus 2b is constant. E power minus 2x, differentiation is e power minus 2x into chain rule minus 2x, differentiation is minus 2. So we got d square y by dx square is equals to 3 3s are 9a e power 3x minus into minus, here plus 2 2s are 4, 4b e power minus 2x. Now our aim is to eliminate the arbitrary constants a and b and form the differential equation. So let me take these two equations. The first differential equation is dy by dx is equal to 3a e power 3x minus 2b e power minus 2x, and second one d square y by dx square is equals to 9a e power 3x plus 4b e power minus 2x. So we have two equations. Of course it is differential equation, but these are two equations with the constants a and b has to be eliminated. So we can think it is two linear equations in two variables x and y, and we have to eliminate x and y. In the same way, if you think here the terms to be eliminated is a and b. So we solve like solving the linear equations in two variables. So we can go for elimination method. So if you follow elimination method, let me multiply the second equation by 2. So if I multiply second equation by 2, it will change into 2 times of d square y by dx square is equals to 18a e power 3x and 2 4s, sorry, not second equation by 2. We have to multiply first equation by 2, because in second equation this coefficient of e power minus 2x is 4b. So let me try to bring this coefficient as 4b. So first equation multiply by 2. So we will get 2 into dy by dx is equals to 2 3s are 6a e power 3x minus 4b e power minus 2x, So let me add these two equations. So when we add these two equations, we will get d square y by dx square plus 2 times of dy by dx is equal to here 9a plus 6a, 15a into e power 3x, and here b terms will get cancelled. So now we are having a differential equation, but in that again one more unknown quantity is there, which is, that is, arbitrary constant is there, a. So that a has to be eliminated. So we can get a value from this equation. So our a value is nothing but a is equals to, from this, d square y by dx square plus 2 times of dy by dx whole thing divided by 15 e power 3x, or I can write 1 by 15 e power 3x. So we got a value. Now let me find out b value. So once if we will get the b value, we can substitute both a value and b value in the given equation to eliminate the arbitrary constants a and b. We can solve in many methods, even determinant way also we can solve. Anyway, we started with the elimination method. Let us proceed the same method. Now to eliminate b now, let me write once again both the equations. So we got, here already we got a value. So a value we got by solving those two differential equations by the method of elimination. Now in the same way b value, so dy by dx is equals to 3a e power 3x minus 2b e power minus 2x, and d square y by dx square is nothing but 9a e power 3x plus 4b e power minus 2x. Already we got a value, so our aim is to get the b value, so we eliminate a now. So to eliminate a now, let me multiply the first equation by 3. So I will get 3 times of dy by dx is equals to 9a e power 3x minus 6b e power minus 2x. So here I have to subtract. So d square y by dx square minus 3 times of dy by dx is equal to 9a e power 3x will get cancelled. You get 6 plus 4, 10b e power minus 2x. So from this b value is nothing but d square y by dx square minus 3 times of dy by dx, whole thing we have to divide by 10 e power minus 2x, which is nothing but I will write as 1 by 10 e power minus 2x. So we have now a value and b value. If we substitute these two, a value and b value, in the given equation, we can form a differential equation by removing the arbitrary constants a and b. So let me substitute. Y is equals to, so we substitute the values of a and b. So we will get y is equals to a value d square y by dx square plus 2 times of dy by dx whole thing into 1 by 15 e power 3x, and again already we are having here 1 e power 3x. Second one plus b value d square y by dx square minus 3 times of dy by dx whole thing into 1 by 10 e power minus 2x into e power minus 2x. So e power 3x terms get cancelled, e power minus 2x term gets cancelled. Let me group the d square y by dx square term and dy by dx term. So here 1 by 15 d square y by dx square, okay, d square y by dx square of 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. Next we are having dy by dx into 2 by 15 minus 3 by 10. Now by taking LCM and simplifying this, we get d square y by dx square into, this is nothing but If I take LCM and simplify, 1 by 6 will come, and here plus dy by dx into, again in this place when we take LCM and simplify, it is minus 1 by 6. So we can multiply 6 this side, or I can first let me write this one as negative of. So multiplying with 6, cross multiplication, 6y is equals to d square y by dx square, let me write it as y double dash minus dy by dx is y. So on the whole y dash. So we can give this as, first is in order we will give in standard form, second order first of all, y double dash minus y dash minus 6y is equal to 0. So this is the required differential equation representing the family of curves y is equal to ae power 3x plus be power minus 2x after eliminating the arbitrary constants a and b. Fourth problem, y is equal to e power 2x into a plus bx. So since two arbitrary constants are there, it is obvious that we have to do 2 times differentiation. So first differentiation, dy by dx is equals to product rule, e power 2x into differentiation of a plus bx, differentiation of a is 0, differentiation of bx is b into constant, b into differentiation of x is 1, plus a plus bx into differentiation of e power 2x is e power 2x into 2. Now I can write this one as b e power 2x plus, I can replace e power 2x into a plus bx as y, 2y. So it will be easy to proceed now. So b e power 2x plus 2y is dy by dx for us. First let us find out b value from this and keep it aside. So our b value from this is nothing but b is equals to dy by dx minus 2y, dy by dx minus 2y divided by e power 2x or 1 by e power 2x into. So this is our b value. Now we continue with second differentiation here. Why I found b value here? When I am doing second differentiation, again this b will continue because it is in the product with a variable. So in that b place I can replace this value, so we can form the differential equation directly. So now d square y by dx square differentiation is equal to b into e power 2x into differentiation of 2x is 2 plus 2y differentiation is 2 into dy by dx, second differentiation, first differentiation for y. So now let me replace this b value. So now d square y by dx square is equals to 2 e power 2x into b. b is dy by dx minus 2y into 1 by e power 2x plus 2 times of dy by dx. Simplification, this e power 2x gets cancelled. Now we will give the differential equation. D square y by dx square is nothing but y double dash, and here we are having e power 2x get cancelled, 2 into y dash, y double dash is equals to 2 into y dash, again 2 into this multiplication, so minus 4y, and last one plus 2y dash. So your final answer y double dash 2y dash plus 2y dash 4y dash, I can bring this side, minus 4y dash plus 4y is equal to 0. So this is a differential equation representing the family of curves y is equal to e power 2x into a plus bx. Fifth problem, y is equal to e power x into a cos x plus b sin x. Yes. Now first differentiation, dy by dx is equals to product rule, e power x into differentiation of a cos x minus a sin x plus differentiation of b cos x, b sin x differentiation is b into differentiation of sin x cos x. So first part we did, that is u into differentiation of v. Now second part, the whole thing into differentiation of e power x, that is a cos x plus b sin x into differentiation of e power x is e power x. Now we can replace in this step itself, dy by dx is equals to this a cos x plus b sin x into e power x as y. So first term as it is, e power x into minus a sin x plus b cos x into, plus a cos x plus b sin x into e power x can be replaced by y. So that the next differentiation will be simple. Now let me do the second differentiation. So d square y by dx square is equal to, again we have to apply the product rule here, that is e power x into, first e power x into differentiation of this whole part. So minus a into differentiation of sin x is cos x. So minus a cos x, here plus b into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So I will get minus b sin x. So e power x into differentiation of this part is done. Now next one, plus the whole thing, that is minus a sin x plus b cos x, this part into differentiation of e power x, which is e power x. So what we have done, this whole thing is nothing but differentiation of this first part. We applied the product rule. Now the differentiation of y is dy by dx. Clear? We found second differentiation. Now check this, observe the second differentiation carefully. We can see that e power x, this one I can take minus sign common outside. So if I will take minus common outside here, we will get this one as a cos x plus b sin x. So minus e power x into a cos x plus b sin x is nothing but, so it is this part. The first part is, we can compare with the given equation, so which is minus y. The first part is e power x into a cos x plus b sin x is y. Since we have negative sign here, which is nothing but minus y. So first part is replaced by minus y. Now coming to second term, now this second term is minus a sin x plus b cos x into e power x. We can see here minus a sin x plus b cos x into e power x can be written as dy by dx minus y. Dy by dx minus y. So I took this value from this step. So from dy by dx, we have taken this value. Now the last one is as usual dy by dx. So now let us arrange the terms. Here in between plus sign is there here. So we got d square y by dx square is equals to, d square y by dx square is equals to minus y plus dy by dx, again minus y plus dy by dx. So together d square y by dx square, here it is minus y is minus 2y. So let me take to left hand side, or we can write now as in the form of y double dash. So d square y by dx square is nothing but y double dash. So y double dash, now minus y plus dy by dx plus dy by dx is plus 2 dy by dx. Let me take to left hand side, minus 2y dash, and minus y is minus 2y, which is taking to left hand side, plus 2y is equal to 0. So y double dash minus 2y dash plus 2y is equal to 0 is the differential equation representing the family of curves y is equal to e power x into a cos x plus b sin x. Sixth question, form the differential equation of the family of circles touching the, so we need the family of circles touching the y axis at origin. Now in the previous 5 questions, the family of curves were given and we formed the differential equation. Now in the 6th problem, we have to frame the first family of curves, then for that we should do the differential equation representing that family of curves. The curves is here defined in the 6th problem. The family of curves is defined as, it is a family of circles touching the y axis at origin. Now try to recollect, a circle can be determined by three things, that is three values always we need. Suppose the circle is having center at A comma B and radius R, we have three things there, A, B, arbitrary constants I can say, A, B and R, and we know from the basic definition of circle, three non-collinear points in the plane determine the circle. So always three unknown quantities are to frame the equation of circle, we need three values, three things has to be defined. Now here, suppose if I will consider the required equation of circle as x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So this is in the form of circle having center at a comma b and radius r. So if this equation if I take directly, there will be three arbitrary constants, but let us try to eliminate the arbitrary constants based on the given information. The first information, the family of circles touching the y-axis. So all the circles, they are touching the y-axis, they should touch, this is x, negative x, y, negative y. So all the family of circles are touching the y-axis, and where they are touching, the family of circles touching the y-axis at origin. So totally two conditions are given here. Let me take first one circle. So this circle is the circle which touches the y-axis, and it is touching the y-axis at origin. So it is clear that since the circle is touching the y-axis and the center is lying on the x-axis here, the center is nothing but the center is lying on the x-axis. So your b value is becoming 0. Now, excuse me, the center is actually a comma b. Now since it is on the y-axis, b value has become 0. And another condition, the radius is nothing but a here. We can see easily the radius of circle is a. Let me have another circle also, because it is family of circle. All these family of circles are touching the y-axis and they are touching the y-axis at origin. That means they are passing through origin. So next circle, second circle will have center here. Again its radius will become this a comma 0 only again, right? Fine. So the general form will reduce into one condition, b is becoming 0 since the center is lying on the excuse me, center is lying on the x-axis, and since it is touching the y-axis, the radius is nothing but this x value only, center a. So two conditions, we eliminated two arbitrary constants here. The general equation of circle, first we considered x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. But now we decided b value is 0 and r value is a. So how the equation will change now? So the family of circle with the two conditions touching the y-axis at origin is nothing but x minus a I can replace by r, x minus r whole square plus y minus b whole square is b is 0, y square is equal to r square. So our equation reduced to the form x minus r whole square plus y square is equal to r square, where we have only one arbitrary constant which is radius r. So if we do one time differentiation, we can get the differential equation which represents the family of curves, family of circles touching the y-axis at origin. Excuse me. Let me do the differentiation now. 2 times of x minus r, and differentiation of x is 1, and differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx, and differentiation of r is 0. So now let us find the r value from this, and we can substitute in this family of circles equation. So 2 gets cancelled, x minus r plus y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Therefore r value is nothing but x plus y dash. Now let us substitute this r value in the given equation. So we will get x minus r is x plus y dash. So x minus r whole square is plus y square is equals to again r square, which is x plus y dash whole square. So we will get here x minus y dash whole square plus y square. Now right hand side a plus b whole square form, x square plus y dash whole square plus 2xy dash. Now x gets cancelled, y dash whole square plus y square is equals to x square plus y dash whole square plus 2xy dash. So now y dash whole square term will get cancelled both the sides. So we will get y square is equals to x square plus 2xy dash is the required differential equation for the given family of circles touching the y-axis at origin. Seventh problem, form the differential equation of the family of parabolas having vertex at origin and x-axis along, family of having vertex at origin and axis along positive y-axis, this is wrong, and axis along positive y-axis. Now recollect how the parabola will be. It is a family of parabolas having the vertex at origin. Vertex is at origin and another condition is axis is along positive y-axis. So this is the positive y-axis. So your required parabola will be like this. And it is a family of parabolas. So general equation of this parabola is nothing but x square is equals to 4ay. Now for different a values we will get different parabolas. So x square is equal to 4ay, but the constant term is here, the thing which is a permanent, that is the constant one is vertex is at origin. So the parabola can be like this or like this, it is depends upon the a value. So the only one arbitrary constant what we are having here is a. So the equation we framed already. So the family of parabolas having vertex at origin and even again the given axis along the positive y-axis. So we are able to write the parabola equation as x square is equal to 4ay and we are having only one arbitrary constant. So the differential equation representing this family of parabolas having vertex at origin and axis along positive y-axis will be in the first order. So 2x is equals to differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of 4ay is 4a into differentiation of y is dy by dx. We can find out the value of a from this. So a is nothing but 2x divided by, a is 2x divided by 4 into 1 by dy by dx. So let us or we can write 1 by y dash. Dy by dx is nothing but y dash. We substitute this a value in the given family of parabolas. So x square is equal to 4 into a value, you can cancel here 2 times. So x by 2y dash a value. So here x square is equal to 4a into y. So required differential equation is nothing but again we can cancel here 2. So x square into y dash, x square into y dash is equals to 2xy. Is the family of, this is the differential equation representing the family of parabolas having vertex at origin and axis along positive y-axis. So we can cancel one x on both sides. So we get xy dash is equals to 2y. Eighth problem, form the differential equation of the family of ellipses having foci on y-axis and center at origin. So we have to form the differential equation of family of ellipse. So it's foci on y-axis. So how the ellipse will be? The ellipse is of second form, that is it's having its major axis as y-axis. So the major axis of the ellipse is y-axis and its foci on y axis, that's why. So the center is at origin. So we will have here A and minus A and here B and minus B vertices. So the general form of the equation is nothing but x square by A square plus y square by B square is equal to 1 where B is greater than A. So this is the general equation. So for this now we have to find the family of differential equation. So since there are two arbitrary constants in this, the differential equation will be of second order. So we do the differentiation. We will get first 2x by A square plus 1 by B square into y square is 2y y dash, that is dy by dx is equal to 0. Now therefore 2 gets cancelled, that is 2 cannot be 0. So we can write y dash by B square is equals to minus x by A square. Now can write y dash is equals to minus B square by A square of x. Now let us do second differentiation now. Y into y double dash plus y dash into y differentiation is again y dash. So y dash into y dash, which is y dash whole square, is equals to minus b square by a square into differentiation of x is 1. Now in this step we got the value of minus b square by a square. So we substitute that value in this equation so that we can get the differential equation. Substituting the value of minus b square by a square from this equation to this equation. So y dash is equals to minus b square by a square value is y double dash plus y dash square into x, the whole thing into x. So the required differential equation is nothing but y double dash xy y double dash plus xy dash square minus y double dash y dash is equal to 0. This is y double dash. Ninth problem, form the differential equation of the family of hyperbolas having foci on x axis and center at origin. So general form of hyperbola having foci on x axis nothing but x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now we have to form the differential equation representing this family of curves. Now differentiating this 1 by with respect to differentiating y with respect to x. So 1 by a square is outside, differentiation of x square is 2x minus 1 by b square into differentiation of y square 2y y dash is equal to 0. Now we are having x by a square is equals to, or let me write y term in the left hand side. So we are having y dash by b square is equals to x by a square. Now y dash is equals to, similar to previous problem, the only difference is negative sign is not there here, b square by a square into x. So differentiating this again with respect to x, we get y double dash plus, here I am applying product rule, y into y dash differentiation is y double dash, y dash into differentiation of y is again y dash. So we will get y dash whole square is equals to b square by a square into differentiation of x is 1. Again substituting the value of b square by a square in this equation, we get y dash is equals to b square by a square, which is nothing but y double dash plus y dash whole square whole thing, that is b square by a square into x. So the differential equation is nothing but y double dash plus xy dash whole square minus y dash is equal to 0. 10th problem, form the differential equation of the family of circles having center on y axis and radius 3 units. So, how the circles? There are family of circles. So, already we discussed to define a circle we need 3 values, but here only 2 are given, that is why we get the family of circles. So, the general form of equation of circle with center at h comma k is nothing but x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, center at h comma k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now, let us try to eliminate, here total we are having 3 arbitrary constants. We try to eliminate the, how many? We will try to eliminate the arbitrary constants with the help of the given information. Now, first information is having, based on family of circles, we wrote the first equation of circle with center at h comma k and radius r. Now, having center on y axis. So, all the circles will have center here, any of the point on the y axis. The circle can be like this, or it can be like this, or it can be like this, but the center is only on y axis, and we know the point on the y axis will be in the form of 0 comma y, that is x value will be 0. So, here h will be 0. So, the center will be in the form of 0 comma k. So, one arbitrary constant is eliminated. Now, coming to second part, radius 3 units. So, it is clearly given all the circles are having radius 3 units. So, wherever the circle, it can be anywhere, but 2 conditions, it is on the y axis, center is on the y axis and radius 3 units. So, the circle equation is reduced to x minus 0 whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to 3 square, which is 9. So, now we are having only one arbitrary constant k. Now, we should look for how k can be eliminated by forming the differential equation. Now, let me differentiate this. We will get first x square, sorry, I am just expanding. This one is x square plus, we can write as it is, it will be easy for differentiation, y minus k whole square, or we will first expand. So, x square plus, now y minus k whole square based on a minus b whole square formula, y square plus k square minus 2ky, and differentiation of 9 is 0. Now, let us, sorry, we did not differentiate here, we expanded just. We just expanded. Here x minus 0 whole square is x square, here y minus k whole square, y square plus k square minus 2ky is equal to 9. Now, I am going to differentiate. Differentiation of x square is 2x, y square 2y, y dash. Differentiation of k square here 0, and here differentiation of minus 2ky, minus 2k into differentiation of y is y dash is equals to differentiation of 9, 0. Now, the arbitrary constant k is here, only one constant. So, we can find the k value. After finding the k value, we substitute the k value here to eliminate the constant. So, overall 2 can be taken outside. So, the leftover things are x plus y, y dash minus k y dash is equal to 0, or k y dash is equals to x plus y, y dash, y dash, k, we need k value. Therefore, k is equals to x plus y, y dash divided by y dash. Now, let us substitute the k value in this equation. So, we will get x minus 0 whole square is nothing but x square plus y minus k value x plus y, y dash, x plus y, y dash divided by y dash, k value. I substituted in this place y minus k, this whole square is equals to 9. Now, this is a differential equation without any arbitrary constant here. Differential equation representing the family of circles having center on y axis and radius 3 units. Now, let us give it in the simplified or standard form. So, it is x square plus, let me expand a minus b, or we take first LCM. So, the LCM is nothing but y, y dash is LCM. So, y, y dash minus x, wow, it is getting cancelled. minus into plus minus y dash. When we take LCM here, y dash minus x minus y dash whole square divided by this y dash is also will have within the square is equals to 9. Here y dash gets cancelled. So, x square minus x by y dash whole square, which is plus x square by y dash square is equal to 9, or y dash whole square into x square plus x square is equals to 9y dash square. 11th one. Which of the following differential equation has y is equals to c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x as the general solution? So, first we will differentiate this one and we find the differential equation. dy by dx is differentiation of y is dy by dx is equals to c1 into differentiation of e power x is e power x plus c2 into differentiation of e power minus x is e power minus x into minus 1. So, which is minus here. See, since two arbitrary constants, we will get the differential equation of second order and options also in the second order. So, let us do one more time. D square y by dx square is equal to c1 e power x again c1 e power x minus c2 e power minus x into differentiation of minus x is minus 1. Already here minus symbol is there, which is plus 1. Now, c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x is nothing but y. Therefore, d square y by dx square is equal to y, or d square y by dx square minus y is equal to 0. Option B. 12th problem. Which of the following differential equations has y is equal to x as one of its particular solution? So, already we learned the difference between particular solution and general solution. So, general solution may have constant term. We find the constant term value with the help of the given information to get the particular solution. General solution will give generally for the family of circles, family of any curves. Okay. Now, here all the options are nothing but second order. So, first let us differentiate the given equation. Y is equal to x, we will get dy by dx is equals to differentiation of, I can write it as dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x is 1. So, dy by dx is 1. Now, let us do second differentiation also. So, d square y by dx square is equal to 0. So, what does it mean differential equation? These are the differential equation means, see, like similarly, suppose if I am having x plus y is equal to some 7. This is a polynomial equation. It will satisfy the values of x and y. Am I right? In the same way, these differential equations should satisfy this value. So, among these options, which option is satisfying these two values is having the this y is equal to x as one of its particular solution. So, let us substitute and see. In the first one, while substituting d square y by dx a option, while substituting in the a option, d square y by dx square is 0 minus x square into 1, dy by dx is 1 plus xy. So, this is not equal to x. Minus x square plus xy is not equal to x. So, option A is ruled out. Coming to option B, d square y by dx square is 0 plus x into dy by dx. So, x into 1 plus xy is equal to x. Again option B is ruled out. Coming to option C, d square y by dx square 0 minus x square into dy by dx is 1 plus x into, we can substitute even y values everywhere. In the first option 0 minus x square plus x into y. If I substitute x into y value is from the given equation x. So, while substituting y value as x here, this will become x into x. x square. So, minus x square plus x square, it should be 0. Here x is there, that is why first option is ruled out. Coming second option, plus x square, it should be 2x square. So, right hand side is given x, so ruled out. Third option, d square y by dx square is 0 and minus x square into dy by dx is 1 plus x into y value is here x. So, x into x, which is equal to 0, minus x square plus x square is 0. So, option C is correct. So, 3 solutions we used here, dy by 3 values we can say, dy by dx is equal to 1, d square y by dx square is equal to 0 and y is equal to x. So, with the help of these 3 informations, we substituted these 3 values in the given options and we came to the conclusion option C is satisfying the condition, right. So, option C is the correct answer.